Today we are discovering the top 8 websites where you can learn Python coding and enhance your programming skills. Starting with the number 8, FreeCodeCamp. FreeCodeCamp is an online community and curriculum providing free coding resources, including Python lessons. At the number 7, Codecademy. Codecademy is a free online learning platform that includes Python programming courses and tutorials. At the number 6, DataCamp. DataCamp is an online platform specializing in data science and Python programming courses. At the number 5, edX. edX is an online learning platform with Python courses from renowned universities and organizations. At the number 4, Coursera. Coursera is an online platform offering Python courses from top universities and institutions worldwide. At the number 3, Udemy. Udemy is an online learning marketplace with a wide range of Python courses taught by instructors. At the number 2, Codecademy. Codecademy is an online platform offering interactive coding courses for beginners and advanced learners. At the number 1, Python.org. Python.org is an official website of the Python programming language with tutorials, documentation, and resources.